What's going on YouTube? This is DJ Kicks here coming at you with another video. First off, I want to just say I apologize if my voice sounds any kind of weird way. I might be dealing with some allergies or might slightly be getting sick here in a little bit, so I'm not really sure what's going on with that, but my sinuses have been all messed up. So I just want to say I apologize about the sound of my voice off the bat. But today we are going to be getting into another unboxing video. I apologize for the lateness of this. The package that I had received from Foot Locker was a little bit delayed in the process. So this is just going to be getting out a little bit late, but you know, we're still going to be getting into this. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing, like I said, so let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so got the box right here. I already went ahead and opened these up because I could not wait to see what these guys look like. You can probably tell from the title and description of what these guys are, so let me go ahead and get these out of the box so that way I can get you into a detailed look and review. All right, so breaking these guys out of the box that I already pre-opened, I'll go ahead and take these out, get rid of this here. And then here are the sneakers. So as you can see, it is that Jordan 12 type box there. Official colorway on this shoe and official sneaker code is the Air Jordan 12 Retro. Colorway is black and game royal. So you guys already know what these are. These are the Jordan 12 and the game royal, or people are calling them the blue game 12s. So let's go ahead and break open this box and see what these shoes are looking like. So right here you can see right in the box what these guys are. Go ahead and take these guys out. Get rid of the box here. And boom, there they are. The Air Jordan 12 in the black and game royal colorway. Like I was saying in the, before, these shoes are kind of being called the blue game 12s. I can see where people are calling those that because of the Jordan 12 in the original flu game colorway, so that's the black and red. Jordan wore those in a game where he had flu symptoms and still, played the game, scored like 40 points. Don't quote me on that one, not sure exactly how many points he scored, but those were done the flu game 12s. So these ones pretty much take on the same exact colorway of that shoe, just with, swapping out the colors for blue. So right here on this part here, the flu games were red. This is blue. On the outsole there, on the flu games was red. This is now blue as well. And then looking here on the tongue, where it says the Jordan Jumpman and then the 2-3 down the tongue, that was red on the flu games as well, which is now replaced with blue. So all in all, I mean, just first looks at these shoes, the quality feels, pretty decent. I would say the black leather on the upper, it's a little bit tumbled, and you can see it's, not that bad. It's definitely, a lot, more plush than I would say other sneakers are. I did have the flu game 12s in my collection at one point, and I think the quality on these ones is a little bit better than that sneaker. The leather just feels a little bit softer to me. One key difference, though, between this shoe and the flu games is this blue panel right here. So on the flu games, this was really still just like a leather material. On these ones, I don't know if you can really tell, but if you go sway them back and forth, it kind of feels like this, kind of suede type of material. Not exactly sure what that is, if it's like a nubuck or maybe just a nappy leather or something like that. But it's not like just that regular, soft, smooth leather that was on the flu games. It has kind of this back and forth feel with a suede type of material. First glance at these shoes, though, I think they're dope, man. The colorway is awesome. I love the flu games, and I am, a sucker for blue and black. This shoe is definitely fire, in my opinion. I really like this sneaker. Glad I was able to pick it up. I know sizes have been popping back up on certain sites here and there, but I believe that the wide range of this shoe, it was, pretty widely available. So if you were interested in the shoe, you should have been able to get it. If you haven't gotten it yet, I don't think StockX prices are all that bad. It might just be a little bit above retail. So you should be able to cop these sneakers if you're looking to get them. But that's it for my first thoughts here. Let's go ahead and get into a little bit more detailed shots, show you the details on the sneakers, and that way you can kind of get a feel for what these sneakers are and what they look like. So let's get into those detailed shots now. So right off the bat, you can see that this Jordan 12 definitely dons some of that OG feel with this black and game royal colorway. Seeing that the game royal is throughout the toe part of the shoe as well as on the bottom of the shoe. Here in a closer look here at the fronts of the shoe, you can see that kind of blue nappy type of leather or suede on the front here, covered with the rubber blue on the outsole, as well as the blue Phylon part of the midsole. And then coming up here to the black tumbled leather that you can kind of see through the top part of the shoe, as well as on the tongue, with the blue Jumpman and then 2-3 branding going down the entire tongue. With the side view of the sneaker, you can see that blue kind of nappy looking leather or suede material going all the way through here to the midsection of the sneaker. You can see the Jumpman on the plastic piece in the middle there, and then showing the tumbled black leather here on the top part of the upper. And then on the inside of the sneaker, you can see more of that nappy looking leather or suede material. You can see the translucent blue looking outsole there with the black on the midsole on the back part of the sneaker, coming up to more of that black tumbled leather. And then showing a little bit closer look here at the eyelets of the sneaker, they are donned in all black, just like the Flu Game 12s had as well. Here at the back side of the sneakers, you can see that they have the standard Jordan 12 pull tab with the blue pretty much on the branding part saying Jordan, and then on the Jumpman, and then on that black background. Coming down here to the bottom of the sneaker, you can see the black with the 23 on the outsole. Here at the bottoms of the shoes on the outsole, you can see the 2 black pods covered by all of that blue on the outsole with that ribbed part in the middle, and then the black Jumpman, as well as the 23 branding in the corner of the pods. And then taking a closer look at the guts of the shoe, you can see the Jumpman here on the insole, donned in blue with the men's sizing sticker, as we have seen on all Jordan models. So I want to show you guys what these shoes look like on feet as well, so that way you can get a little bit better knowledge of what these guys are going to look like while you're out there wearing them. So let's go ahead and get into these detailed on foot shots. All right, and that is going to wrap up the unboxing, detailed look, and on-foot look of the Jordan 12 in the brand new Game Royal colorway. Again, these shoes are definitely dope in my opinion. As far as it goes for a rating, I'm going to give these guys a solid 9.5 out of 10. Just super cool OG vibes on this sneaker, and it being a new kind of colorway, it still gives me that feel of like that OG type of, colorway. Black and blue on any Jordans look dope, and especially on this 12 model, it definitely pays homage to, some of those OG colorways like the Flu Games, that just really makes this sneaker look good. I'm really digging how they switched up the material as well, with this kind of like, nappy kind of like leather or suede material right here. It definitely gives you a little bit more of a flair than, some of the, the original Jordan 12 models that still had that leather panel right there. I really like that they are updating the models with, a little bit more fresher of a look. But definitely let me know what you guys think on this shoe. Like I said, I'm definitely giving these guys a 9.5 out of 10. They're definitely a must cop for me. Glad I was able to pick them up. Shout out to Foot Locker for the easy cop. I was actually able to get these off of my phone on the app for Foot Locker. Wasn't having to wait or anything like that. Was able to add them to cart right away, check out, and no problems at all. The only delay was just on the shipping, but that kind of was my fault with an issue with the shipping address. But all in all, thank you and shout out to Foot Locker for the easy cop. But definitely let me know what you guys are thinking of this sneaker. Please hit a thumbs up on this button if you did like the review of the Jordan 12 Game Royal. Let me know if you guys are really feeling these in the comments section, if you really like this sneaker or if you're passing on it at all. And then also, too, let me know if you guys are planning on copying these, whether it's if you're finding them on a restock or, paying resale on StockX or something like that. And also, too, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more sneaker videos just like this one. We do unboxings, we do reviews, we do upcoming sneaker releases, all that good stuff to keep you guys informed and keep you guys looking at the new sneakers that are coming out. But again, thank you guys for stopping by. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you leave a comment in the comment section below. Definitely subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you do get notified when I post new content. This has been the detailed look, review, and on-feet look at the Jordan 12 Game Royal. This has been DJ Kicks. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace.